The sandstone we call Navajo sandstone. The rougher parts are from wind erosion. The smoother part from water. Two types of erosion form the canyon. About over 200,000 years of rainfall created it. And if you see those dark parts, the blackish part, that's called desert varnish. If you guys ever seen any petroglyphs from our ancestors, they chiseled out drawings on the wall. They drew all kinds of stuff, almost like a history book. They drew like Bigfoot, aliens, spaceships.
So there's an alien then?
Yeah, there's so many Navajo teachings that a lot of them, they live in sandstone rocks and stuff like that. Those gods and stuff.
So they saw it.
Watch your step. Yep, a lot. I cleaned up the day on the red.
What else did you think?
Go slow, watch your step.
Come on. You can do it? Okay.
Good job, good job. Go slow, go slow.